Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making an Italian dessert which has Ladyfinger Biscuits, Mascarpone Cheese and some coffee flavor. Yes, you guessed it right, we are making tiramisu with homemade Ladyfinger Biscuits. First let's see how to make this main base ingredient of tiramisu. Into a large bowl add in some butter and blend it till it becomes fluffy. Add in some powdered sugar in between and blend that again. Once the sugar is well incorporated into the butter, add in rest of the dry ingredients: all-purpose flour, baking powder and some salt and sift it. Blend it. Add some full-fat milk and blend it. Add in rest of the flour, milk, blend it again and make it into a very soft dough like this. Now take a piping bag, add the dough into it. Slightly give a bigger cut for the piping bag and start piping for the Ladyfinger biscuits. You can pipe from 1.5 to 2 inch length for the biscuits. Dip your fingers in some water and just shape the dough. And bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes or until it becomes slightly brown shade at the top. Now for the next layer of the tiramisu, let's whip up some cream. Add some sugar for the sweetness and whip it till you get the stiff peaks. Now into that the main ingredient is mascarpone cheese. If you are not getting mascarpone cheese in the shops, you can check in some online grocery stores. Now our Ladyfinger biscuits are also baked. Let's make some coffee mixture. Here I am using Nescafe Gold instant coffee powder, which has the perfect taste and aroma. Add some warm water, mix it and keep it ready. Now take a bigger bowl to set the tiramisu. Now take each Ladyfinger biscuit, dip it in coffee and layer it at the bottom of the bowl. This is the first layer for the tiramisu. Now make the second layer with the whipping cream and mascarpone cheese. Now on top of the cream layer, let's add one more layer with the coffee dipped Ladyfinger biscuits. Now again add the cream and cheese layer. So always for the tiramisu, the top layer will be the cream layer. Now keep this refrigerated for around 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Now our tiramisu is ready. Now let's dust it with some cocoa powder. Here I've used Hershey's cocoa powder. You can also make some designs with some powdered sugar. Now let's cut it and see the layers. See the beautiful layers of coffee dipped biscuit with cream and cheese. It tastes so delicious. So do try out this eggless tiramisu. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.